Do you want to make a custom notification for your smartphone or tablet? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom notification sound for your smartphone or tablet using Audacity. Let's get started. Audacity is an open source audio editing program. Double-click the icon on the desktop to open it. The program is now open. Click on the record button and say what you want for the notification. Remember, it is an alert tone, so try to keep it short. When you're done recording, click the stop button. Then hit the play button to listen to the recording.
I'm Mike's girl, gotta love me.
Next, you need to edit the recording to remove the noise. Left click on the mouse button and drag it over the part that you need to edit. Then simply hit delete. Do the same thing on the right hand side, which will remove the rest of the noise and the mouse click. Once you're done, play the recording again.
I'm Mike's girl, gotta love me.
That's much better. At this point, you can also do any other editing that you need to. Once you're done editing, you have to export the audio clip. Click the File menu and click Export Audio. Choose a location to save the file and change the file type. If you're making a tone for an Android phone, you need to save it as an MP3. For an iPhone, save it as an M4A file. Name the file and click Save. You can fill out this dialog if you want to. Click OK to start the export. Because it's such a small clip, it will not take long to export. Let's go find it. Minimize that window and open the location where you saved the file. The exported file is right there, called mikesgirl.m4a. Next, you'll need to import the file into iTunes. Connect your phone to your computer and change the file extension from M4A to M4R as shown. When this message pops up, click Yes. Now you can move the file to iTunes. Left click on the file, drag it over to the Tones area in iTunes and let go. Next, double click the tone to play it.
I'm Mike's girl, gotta love me.
Next, click the Sync button, and the tone will be exported to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Scroll down and find Sounds and Haptics. This is the new area where you change your ring or text tones. Scroll down and find Text Tone and tap it once. My text tone is set to Mike's Girl.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of that process, leave a comment below and I'll help you. If you found that video helpful, then stay tuned for my next video in this series. I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone. In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.